Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to add like custom script or whatsoever on your website chain, basically Squarespace, you want to access advanced features, we have the code injection tool. It's basically all you need. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you all how to use this code injection in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and log in to Squarespace using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go all the way to our settings here. We're gonna go and look in for these developer tools. We have the API keys, we have the integrate with services like Google Analytics and Amazon, link mappings and all of this, website projection, default text editor, and all of this, basically informations. As for now, let's say you want to manage the developer API keys, just tap on it, then tap on generate key, you will get your key from there. But for example, you just want to insert a normal code. You won't need all of this basically informations and all of these options, since all we're gonna do is basically go to edit your pages here, then basically select a random page. Okay, let's take this one for example, tap on this, then we tap on add section, we go all the way here to, okay, let's go for example, select, okay, let's select this page or a random page here, images. Okay, let's select calendar. We have this here, let's select this place, we're gonna delete this one so we can add a new block, go all the way to embed code or code, it depends on you. We select embed for example, can even add the code. I will show you the difference between both. So this is the code, this is the embed code. Here you can add a link or code, then hit enter and this will upload automatically. And here you can select a code as you see here is written hello world. They're gonna show you if you want to add HTML, tap your own code here, display the source code if you want to, and it will be shown here. For this option, all you're gonna do is tap the link and hit enter. You can also add a description if you want to, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.